Hello kids, welcome to the maths class. Today's topic is rules of divisibility. Today we are going to discuss divisibility rule of 2 and 4. The main objective of today's learning is to understand the divisibility rule of 2 and 4. A divisibility rule is a shorthand way of finding out whether a given number is divisible by a fixed divisor without doing the long division, usually by examining its digits. In our previous video, we have discussed about the long division of a number. But dividing a big number takes a lot of time. So today I am going to teach you a very interesting trick to find out whether the number is divisible by the divisor or not by just looking at the digits. Let us see how. Before beginning with that, you must know two things. We use this symbol to denote that the number is divisible, and we use this symbol to denote that the number is not divisible. Now let us discuss the divisibility rule of 2. If the last digit is divisible by 2, then the whole number is divisible by 2. Now, let us take one example. Is 24 divisible by 2? Now, we have to see what is the last digit in 24. 4 is the last digit. Now, we have to find out is 4 divisible by 2? That means, does 4 come in the table of 2? Yes, 4 comes in the table of 2. 2 2s are 4. That means 4 is divisible by 2. So, according to the rule, since the last digit, that is 4, is divisible by 2, then the whole number, that is 24, is divisible by 2. Now let's try this one. Is 6735 divisible by 2? Now, which is the last digit in this number? 5 is the last digit in this number. So we have to see, is 5 divisible by 2? That means, does 5 come in the table of 2? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 5 does not come in the table of 2. That means 5 is not divisible by 2. So, according to the rule, since the last digit, that is 5, is not divisible by 2, then the whole number, that is 6735, is not divisible by 2. Now, let's solve more examples. Now, let us solve some examples. Look at the first question. Is 44 divisible by 2? Now, what is the rule of 2 that we have learned? If the last digit is divisible by 2, then the whole number is divisible by 2. So, the very first step is to underline the last digit, that is 4. Now we have to see, is 4 divisible by 2? That means, does 4 come in the table of 2? Yes, we know 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 4 comes in the table of 2. That means last digit which is equal to 4, is divisible by 2. So, according to the rule, that means the whole number, therefore, the whole number is divisible by 2. Now, let us look at the next one. Is 3199 divisible by 2? Is 3199 divisible by 2? Now, what is the rule of 2? If the last digit is divisible by 2, then the whole number is divisible by 2. So, which is the last number? This one is the last digit. 9 is the last digit. So, let us see, does 9 come in the table of 2? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. Does 9 come in the table of 2? No. That means 9 is not divisible by 2. So let us write last digit which is equal to 9 is not divisible by 2. That means according to the rule, the whole number, that is 3199, is not divisible by 2. Now let us discuss the divisibility rule of 4. If the last two digits are divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. Let's understand with an example. Is 404 divisible by 4? Now, we have to look for the last two digits in this number. So, which are the last two digits? 0, 4. 0, 4 means 4 itself. So, we have to see, does 4 come in the table of 4? Yes, 4 ones are 4. That means 0, 4 is divisible by 4. So, according to the rule, since the last two digits, that is 0, 4 is divisible by 4, that means the whole number, that is 404, is divisible by 4. Let's try this one. Is 1923 divisible by 4? Let us look for the last two digits, that is 23. So, we have to see, does 23 come in the table of 4? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24. No, 23 does not come in the table of 4. That means 23 is not divisible by 4. So, according to the rule, the last two digits, that is 23, is not divisible by 4. That means the whole number, that is 1923, is not divisible by 4. Now let's solve more examples. Now let us solve some examples. Look at the first one. Is 1412 divisible by 4? Now what is the rule of 4? If the last two digits are divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. So, which are the last two digits of the number? That is 1 and 2. That is 12 is the last two digits. Let us see, does 12 come in the table of 4? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So 12 comes in the table of 4. That means 12 is divisible by 4. So let us write last two digits which is equal to 12 is divisible by 4. So, according to the rule, the whole number is divisible by 4. Therefore, 1412 is divisible by 4. Now, let us look at the next one. Is 199 divisible by 4? So, what is the rule of 4? If the last two digits are divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. So, which are the last two digits? That is 99. Now we have to see, does 99 come in the table of 4? Now 99 is a big number. For big numbers like this, we can divide it at the side and see whether 99 come in the table of 4 or not. So let us do the division. Now let us compare 9 and 4. Now 9 is bigger than 4, so we can divide 9 by 4. Now let us pick the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So 9 is not there. And which is the less than and the nearest number? That is 8. 4 twos are 8. So we will write over here 4 twos are 8. We will subtract it now. Now 9 minus 8 is how much? That is 1. Now let us bring down 9. Now let us again speak the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. So which is the last number? That is 4 fours are 16. So let us write 4 fours are 16. Let us subtract it. Now 9 minus 6 is how much? That is 3 and 0. So the remainder is there when we are dividing 99 by 4. That means 99 is not completely divisible by 4. That means let us write last two digits equal to 99 is not divisible by 4. That means according to the rule, the whole number is not divisible by 4. So therefore, 199 is not divisible by 4. Now let's recall what we have learned today. First of all, we have learnt the divisibility rule of 2, that is, if the last digit is divisible by 2, then the whole number is divisible by 2. To find out whether the number is divisible by 2 or not, first of all, we will underline the last digit. Then, after that, we will do the sum in this way. Next, we learnt about divisibility rule of 4. If the last two digits are divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. For the rule of 4, we will look for the last two digits, then complete the sum in this way. I hope kids, you have understood how to do the divisibility rule of 2 and 4. Now complete the sums that has been given to you in your SNAP homework.